BBD. Stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer all that in this very short 1-minute video. So watch till the end. First thing that I want to mention is that almost 4% up is quite sick, and I like the greens that I'm seeing here. I've done well over 38,000 videos on my YouTube channel, more than anyone else in the space, invested 5 figures. All the tens of thousands of proofs are documented on my YouTube channel. But generally speaking, just observing BBD, I'm going to look at it from a broader picture. And yeah, it's just a bearish market. All I'm also trying to say is that this is the supply that we're currently in. That's why I'm saying it's bearish. I mean, my demeanor and my whole maneuvering of this ticker symbol is going to change the moment I start seeing breaks above 290.95, which is really not that far away from where we were here. So I'm not going to be rushing it whatsoever. Going to be keeping it chill. And that's the way that I move about things. I'm not trying to play smart. If you want daily insights and want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free.